Guys, welcome back. It's Jay. Take off these headphones. Back at it again with a quick food review. In the news, it's kind of weird. The government, federal government, they decided that because of the cases spiking like this, like in a parabolic fashion, they decided that, hey, no more indoor dining, patio dining only. It's just the way it has to be. And they did like a 180 turn, complete hairpin turn there, and they closed down the restaurants, indoor dining, but patios only. So for today, the Friday after they announced it, like 4 days after, I am getting takeout from this restaurant that has a nice exterior with half brick, half mortar there, Nightingale. So they don't have indoor dining, as you can see, blah blah blah. So public health order, March 29th, will be closed until April 19th for pretty much 3 weeks. So if you want to order, this is their number. But taking a look inside the restaurant, wow, it's amazing. But yeah, I ordered fried chicken, half order spaghetti, and what was the third item I ordered? Oh yeah, the pizza, mushroom pizza. So we'll see what's up with that. I'm gonna find a spot to eat this. Maybe I'll eat it over here. Maybe I'll find like a table. We'll see what's up. But yeah, I was chatting with someone on the inside. They're from Alberta. It was pretty cool. But yeah, with what's going on these days, support local restaurants, take out as much as you can, and see what's up. But anyways, I'm gonna wait for this food. It's gonna be roughly 20-25 minutes, and yeah, we'll go from there. Maybe I should have gotten a drink as well. But anyways, stay tuned for the food. Signing off from Vancouver until I get the food. Be right back. Alrighty guys, good to go. I got my food in the bag. Got a pizza right here. Fried chicken and spaghetti and pizza. So I gotta find a nice chill spot with lighting to eat this food. Stay tuned. Welcome back. So I found a spot to eat. It's like outdoor, cross street of Pender and Burrard. Boom, literally at that main road. This is the goods. This pizza, spaghetti, half order chicken, and there's pickles. There's a glaze here. Aerial shot. Pizza, ooh, delicious. Fried chicken, spaghetti. I'm gonna prop this bad boy here so you guys see me. Just open the cutlery, it's plastic, unfortunately. Gonna dive in this pizza, mushroom, potato. There's some green stuff in here. Cheers. Hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. I'm gonna dive into this pizza first. Pizza's not bad. Dive into the spaghetti. It looks mad dope. It's got some herbs, some clams. Garlic butter is nice. Wow. Fried chicken. I think this might be sweet sauce. honey garlic maybe. It's a little runny. Cheers. Not too shabby. Perfection. On the fried chicken. Check out the underside, it looks like a roti. But they go ham on the garlic. You don't really see that often. I really like this pizza. They know how to make a good damn pizza. It seems like a typical pizza combination: potato, cheese, feta cheese maybe. Fried chicken's not too shabby as well. I mean, they know how to fry a chicken. It's moist. Breading's not too heavy. Not too crazy with the sauce. I'm impressed. The spaghetti is decent. I mean, like, it's just, they should do in-house pasta. I'm not too sure if this is. Crazy amount of garlic and butter. I think I've eaten too fast. Dundies. So I'm gonna be to my own devices with the rest of the food. Gonna probably pack the chicken and the pizza because I don't want to like get too full. But yeah, I'll recap with a review at the end. Stay tuned. So as you can tell from me walking, this is a recap of Nightingale. So literally right here, boom, they give you a like a postcard, which is chill. So it's pretty much like a resemblance of like you going away, like you going on an adventure, taking the food and pretty much be done with it. So essentially my recap of the spaghetti, pizza, fried chicken, I would say they make a mean pizza. The pizza was pretty good. The chicken is pretty good too. In terms of the spaghetti, it had garlic butter and there's, I think it's like clams. So yeah, it's literally like those three things and it tasted pretty decent. In terms of like trying three different things like pasta, spaghetti and fried chicken, it was decent. But in terms of just an overall rating, I would give it a 9 out of 10. The food was good, value was awesome, and in terms of that, would I get all three items again? If I've never been to that restaurant, yeah, sure, I'll definitely do it. Would I, how do I say this? Would I remove something if I had an option to? Yeah, I probably would. I would probably remove the spaghetti. It seems like it's something like I can just make at home, to be honest with you. And that being said, if that's the case, if I ever get that feeling where I can make it at home, I probably wouldn't do it. And I'm at this fountain right here next to like this building, so that's cool background. In terms of rating, like I said, I think 8.5 or 9. Probably revert back to 8.5. The pizza was good. The fried chicken was good. The spaghetti was above average, but if I could do it again, I would probably eliminate the spaghetti. Fried chicken, surprisingly good. Yeah, that's my thoughts. Nightingale, first time being there. I want to eat in when the restrictions are done, but with COVID and all that stuff, you never know, right? Anyways, that's my thoughts. Signing off from downtown Vancouver, and enjoy this fountain view. Oh yeah, and if you haven't already clicked subscribe, please do so. It helps me stay motivated. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, until next food review, guys. Signing off from your favorite Asian food vlogger from Vancouver. Bye for now. Signing off.